The rise of AI-generated doctors on platforms like TikTok and Instagram has taken the internet by storm. Content creators using these AI doctors are getting massive views and followers. Welcome to FitBot AI Learning Channel, and today's video is about AI-generated videos for AI doctors. Please subscribe, like, and share our content to motivate us to create more new videos for you. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated and inspire us to keep producing valuable and entertaining content. Thank you for being a part of our community. However, many people are still unsure if creating AI doctor videos is even possible. In this tutorial, we will show you how to craft your own viral AI doctor videos, and we'll make them as realistic as can be. To accomplish this, we will utilize the powerful tool called vidnos.com, an all-in-one AI video creation platform. This platform allows you to perform every aspect of video creation, from generating customized avatars to adding voiceovers and AI avatar animations. It streamlines the process, making it easy and efficient, even allowing you to create videos in unconventional settings. AI-generated videos. Step 1. Let's kick off the video creation process by developing some scripts. We'll start by opening ChatGPT, instructing it to mimic a doctor and share 10 useful health tips about a specific fruit or routine. These tips should be informative, accurate, and rich in details about the benefits, nutrients, or routines. They should cater to a broad audience. After obtaining these tips, we'll have ChatGPT transform each one into a concise video script, with each script being no longer than 250 words. Each video script should begin with an intriguing question or statement to captivate the viewer's attention. AI-generated videos. Step 2. Now, let's head over to Vidnos AI and sign up for a free account, which grants you daily free credits. Once you're inside the platform, click on Avatars and find the AI avatar tagged as Doctor.
Vidnos AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars.
Select the portrait format and paste your script here. It's a good practice to add an appropriate background, and you can find better options in the materials section, including stock footage from Unsplash. You can also add background music to enhance the video. Click the Generate button, and the platform will produce your video. It's worth noting that if you intend to upload these videos on YouTube Shorts, avoid using background music from Vidnos AI, as YouTube typically reduces video quality to 720p. AI-generated video Step 3. To make your video more accessible and user-friendly, you can add subtitles. We'll use the free app CapCut for this purpose. First, sign up for an account if you haven't already. Then, create a video in portrait format. Import your AI Doctor video to the timeline, click on the Captions button, and select Auto Captions to generate subtitles. These auto-generated subtitles tend to be long, so you should break them into shorter lines, containing only 2 to 3 words each. Position them somewhere in the middle of the screen, and you can also apply a suitable preset and change the font to make them more prominent. AI-generated video Step 4. To make your video visually engaging, consider adding effects. CapCut offers a variety of effects that can be applied at the start and throughout the video. You can also cut the video into shorter clips, usually 5 to 10 seconds each. Zoom in on every other clip to create visual variety. AI-generated video Step 5. Optionally, you can add relevant images to the video to complement the subtitles. Simply search for and insert images that correspond to the content. After that, export your video. The result is a highly engaging and informative AI Doctor video. This video is well prepared for uploading on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram, where short, engaging content thrives. You can follow the same steps for your other AI Doctor videos, ensuring that they are well subtitled, visually appealing, and informative.